Misinformation about COVID-19 has been circulating on social media, and that's why the Verify team is here. We're going to take your questions to vetted experts to get you the facts.
Consider this. The American Red Cross says thousands of blood drives have been canceled amid fears of the virus.
That's putting even more strain on an already short supply. So let's verify. Is it safe to donate blood during the pandemic? Here are our sources: the American Red Cross, the U.S. Surgeon General, the Food and Drug Administration.
It is definitely safe to donate.
And Terry Craddock, the Senior Director at Inova Blood Services. They all say, do not cancel your appointment.
Just as we're taking care of our COVID-19 patients, there's still all those other patients, our cancer patients, our cardiac patients who rely on blood products. That hasn't gone away.
So the need is definitely there, but is it safe? Inova and the Red Cross say they're taking extra precautions to try and protect patients. Beds are placed 6 feet apart and wiped down between every donor. Chairs in the waiting rooms are spaced out. The Red Cross is also checking temperatures for employees and donors. Meanwhile, the U.S. Surgeon General and the FDA are encouraging anyone who's healthy to give blood. So we can verify, yes, blood banks and health officials are given the green light to donate blood during this pandemic. If you have something that you want us to look into, send an email to the team at verify@wsa9.com.